The 3D and VFX world is changing very fast. Amazing, honestly, and everything going towards simplicity and quality in the same time. If you've been busy lately, like I am, you might be missing this news.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.
Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome to my channel. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. You see, for the sake of adoption and not lefting behind, I want to target everything new related to speed, simplicity, and quality, of course, in 3D and VFX field. And we want to discuss about that in this series. So let's keep up with the future. Okay, our first subject is Mesidou AI. What is that? This is cool solution for 3D modeling. I don't know you heard about that or not, but you see it's have text to 3D, image to 3D, AI texturing. It will texture your model. And as you can see, I prompt a modern house, and yeah, that's the result with the texture. It's amazing, but not production ready, in my opinion. So it's not production ready, but yeah, you need to keep your eyes on this kind of solution. So another news we have, it's Autodesk has acquired Golem or buying Golem. What is Golem? Golem is an amazing solution for crowd simulation. And as you can see, this is the amazing showcase. And if you remember, Golem has amazing, for example, ragdoll recovery. We talked about that in this video. So yeah, I hope Autodesk will not ruin Golem as Arnold. Let's hope that.
So we have another news about cinema for the new version 2025. As you can see, we have amazing particle fluid, amazing simplicity, and we have this pyro effect, which is amazing, but we don't have anything about AI. And on the other hand, we have ZBrush for iPad. This is big deal for the artists, honestly, sculptures. So this is awesome and promising, I guess.
Another amazing news we have about Junga fluid solution. As you can see, it's doing very good. And you see, the fact that is real time, it's blowing my mind, honestly. And this is, of course, Emergent. You see? Wow. Another cool solution we have in here is Odyssey System.ai, something like that. And this will generate for you an art with 3D layer, and you can control every layer in the scene. As you can see, it's not just a 2D video. And as you can see, it will integrate with your USD scene, as you can see. And yeah, this is amazing solution, and yeah, you can change all the layer. Wow, this is amazing. So the future, it will be amazing, honestly. Another amazing thing we have is 3D Gaussian ray tracing. And as you can see, they capture this scene, amazing scene with all the detail, and this chrome ball, it's reflecting the scene. This is honestly good for VFX shot, and I guess it will replace the 3D capturing the scene for compositing, honestly. So let's keep on that. So if you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and share it if you want. And we have amazing stuff on my Patreon. You see the scene file and the video tutorial, and we have digital asset. Wow, this is amazing, honestly. So check that out.
So lately I saw this one on X, aka Twitter. This is done in Blender using geometry nodes. I guess this is cool. So we try to mimic that in simple yet clever way. Yeah, you see, this is amazing. So if you're interested, check this out.
And big shout out for these amazing people on my Patreon. Thank you guys, and have fun with our content. And we have another amazing news about Kling tools. The Kling tools, we have the face tracker for the Blender user. This is amazing. You see, they're doing great job with it. And honestly, I love Kling tools because it's have simplicity yet quality approach. So have fun with face tracker, Blender users. This series can help you to decide for your future if you can't predict your future. For example, if you want to be a rotoscope artist in the future, I think you need to see this amazing AI model called SAM2. This is amazing by Meta. And as you can see, it can segment everything in the scene. Wow, this is amazing. You see, this is so fast and it's promising. And we have a lot of solution. It can generate a normal map for relighting the subject. Wow, this is awesome, honestly. Let's go for VFX AI. You see, this is amazing works lately art is doing, and this is gone viral and amazing, honestly. This is have the quality and the simplicity. Wow. And you see, this is mesmerizing. This kind of work, for example, done by Runway Gen 3 Alpha. You see, this is awesome. You can guide your result now with your image, last or first frame. See, amazing. And we have a lot of solution like Gen 3, Dream Machine, and Kling. We're gonna talk about that later on, and Pixverse, I don't know. You see, amazing. All these model doing the same thing. So the first one, it's Dream Machine. As you can see, wow, this is amazing works driven by, for example, the first image, and we have this amazing result. And another one, it's called Kling AI. You see, this horse, it's driven by the original image. Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, it's promising, honestly. And for example, this dog, you see that? It's smooth and yeah, it's acceptable, honestly. So this is awesome. I guess the future will be very interesting with this kind of work. So I tried that. I give it the first frame, for example, and you can give it the last frame. And I did some prompt, a storm and breaking the wall, for example. And you see, it's have a laggy website, but yeah, you see, this is the result. Just with one prompt and one image. Wow, this is amazing, honestly, for now. You see this reflection, yeah, it's got it all. Honestly, that's awesome. So this is Kling.ai. So Runway Gen 3 Alpha, it's making improvement in hair and fur and animals, for example, landscaping, and you see generative visual effect. You see this guy, and this is amazing. You see the water and the reflection and that and this fire. Wow, this is amazing, honestly. And you can of course have this camera movement. You can guide your scene, of course, and yeah, you have more control now, you see, rather than text to video. So this is all we have for first KeepUp series. This will remind me, of course, in the first place, to keep up with the future and not lifting behind. So yeah, we're gonna see you in the next one. Goodbye.